Hello everyone, it's me Anupa, and today we are going to learn about the typical rib, features of typical ribs. And I have a typical bone of typical rib. This is the typical rib. You can see this is a typical rib, and a typical rib has posterior end, and this is it has two ends. This is anterior end and this is posterior end. Anterior end has a depression. Anterior end has a depression, and this depression attaches with the costal cartilage, and through costal cartilage this ribs is attached to the sternum. And the anterior end, in anterior end there is a head. Head is rounded, there is a head, and here has two articulating facets, the upper articulating facet and the lower articulating facets. This articulating facet attaches in the body of vertebra. Upper attaches with the vertebra of upper vertebra, and then lower facet articulates with the corresponding vertebra. And near to the head there is a neck which is constricted, and behind the neck there is a tubercle. This also has a articulating surface. This articulating facet articulates with the facets on the transverse process of vertebra, and behind the tubercle there is an angle. Due to presence of this angle, the rib becomes twisted, and then it continues forward and forms the shaft. You can see, and the shaft has two surfaces, outer surface and the inner surface. Outer surface is convex and inner surface is smooth and concave, and in the inner surface you can see a ridges. This ridges has a groove called costal groove. This is the costal groove, and in costal groove there we can find the neurovascular bundles, that is intercostal veins, intercostal arteries, and the intercostal nerves from above downward. And we have two borders, upper border and the inner border. Upper border and the lower border. In the upper border there is two lips. There are two lips, outer lip and the inner lip. Outer lip, in outer lip there is attachment of external intercostal muscle, and inner lip there is attachment of internal intercostal muscles. And this is the common features of the typical ribs. This is all about typical ribs. Thank you all.